Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to create a program that reverses a given string in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT how to use Java to create a program that reverses a given string. Show all the steps and explain steps in detail to a beginner in coding. And here is what ChatGPT tells us. So step 1, setting up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with a.java extension. For example, you can name it stringreversal.java. Let's write the basic structure. Start by writing the basic structure of a Java program. Import java.util, scanner. This line imports the scanner class, which allows us to take input from the user. Public class string reversal. This is the main class declaration. Public static void main, string, args. This is the main method where our program's code will run. Step 2, getting user input. Create a scanner object. Inside the main method, create a scanner object to get input from the user. Scanner equals new scanner, system.in, prompt for input. Ask the user to enter a string that they want to reverse. System.out.print, enter a string, string input equals scanner.nextLine. Step 3, reversing the string. First, create a string builder object. Use the string builder class to efficiently manipulate strings. Create a string builder object and initialize it with the user's input. String builder reversed equals new string builder, input, next, reverse the string. Use the reverse method of the string builder class to reverse the string. Reversed.reverse, step 4, displaying the reverse string. System.out.println, reverse string, plus reversed.toString. Now we have the complete code. We first import the scanner class to read input from the user. Then, we create a scanner object to get input from the user. Next, we prompt the user to enter a string. After that, we use a string builder object to manipulate strings efficiently. And then, we reverse the string builder object using the reverse method. Finally, we display the reverse string using the toString method. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal/command prompt, navigate to the folder where you saved stringreversal.java, and run this command to compile. javac stringreversal.java. After compiling, run the program using Java string reversal. Now we can test it out. Let's enter hello world. We can see it returns DLROWOLLEH, perfect. This version of the code should work as intended and reverse the string input by the user. It's a great exercise for beginners to practice string manipulation and user input in Java. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video and have fun with the code. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.